My day consists of just oversight in the shop, verification, working with the welders and the fitters. A lot of times I have questions as far as a drawing basis or certain fit-ups or certain configuration for welding. So just working side by side with those men and just making sure that we're putting out the product that we claim we put out and making sure that everything is going the way it should be as directed and as we plan it to go. We do work well together here. Well is an understatement. We do work great together, really. You can count on other people to help you through. It is very tight-knit community of workers, if you will. And we do work together to get the job done, and that's what I think matters the most in my personal opinion in the shop. Everybody can communicate and we can move forward as one big unit, almost like a bunch of fish. I think one thing that could be said is our people that we have here, they do know their jobs and they're good at it. They do it well. So that does make my job easier in some stances. We have a strong workforce here. I look forward to many more years here at American Crane.